This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kevin Keogh. This condo with 2 primary suites is the epitome of maintenance-free living. Not only is your new home located in one of the most popular parts of Virginia Beach, it has new LVP flooring downstairs and new carpet in the bedrooms upstairs. In addition, there are new windows, a new sliding door, and new ceiling fans, all 2022. But wait! There's more. The kitchen has updated, newer appliances, the washer and dryer are newer and the water heater has also been replaced. The owners have updated so much, this could truly be maintenance-free living for the foreseeable future. Not to mention you are minutes away from bases and plenty of shopping, dining and entertainment options. Come check it out in person today. November 7th.